Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is going to be another wear test. And obviously siguro sa title, we're going to wear test this one. So this is the Colourette Lip and Cheek Tint, and this is in the shade Cocoa. And let me show you the product first. So I'm pretty sure familiar na kayo sa Colourette Cosmetics. It's all over Instagram, it's all over the internet, it's all over the beauty community, and it's a YouTube. And this is what the packaging looks like. Super simple na mukhang nail polish. It has the name here, Colourette, and one simple instruction: shake me up real good. Real good. So I have the shade Cocoa. Actually, dalawang shade na meron ako. So I have another shade. Ito yung part ng mga bagong color nila. This is in the shade Andre. I love that it's Andre. So this one is like burnt orange, brown burnt orange. Really good for contour, they say. But I think I'm gonna test this one first. Yes, let's go for Cocoa. Naputol yung Cocoa ko. Anyway, meron siyang, it comes in a box. Meron siyang black box. And doon nakasulat yung mga other product descriptions or whatsoever. Pero, shinapon ko na kasi bago ko gawin tong wear test na to. And I'm so syunga-syunga sometimes. So guys, this is not the first time na itatry ko to. But this is the first time na, alam mo yung babantayan ko talaga siya. Okay, first impression, it's like a lip oil more than a typical lip and cheek tint. It is very liquidy. Para talaga siyang yung liquid lipstick. Liquidy na ang finish parang magiging lipstick. So, ito, sa baba, I applied it the way I apply a normal liquid lipstick. Sa taas, isa-smudge ko siya the way it's supposed to be done. Usually done. I hate it, guys. So, ito yung nasa baba. Ito yung parang full pakak color nang hindi ini-smudge. It is so liquidy and feeling ko 10 years bago siya matuyo. So, either you do the style sa baba or you do yung nasa taas. Little dot, smudge, dot ulit, and then smudge ulit to build up the color. So, my lips are completely dry. First impressions, well actually parang hindi naman to first impressions kasi na-try ko na siya a few days ago, pero explain ko na rin sa inyo. Comfortable siya sa lips, tama ba, Jacqueline? Yeah, hindi siya tacky, hindi siya dry kasi nga may oil siya. Wala, masarap siya sa bibig. Parang wala ka nang suot. And then, but the thing is guys, dahil lip and cheek tint to, do not expect na siya kiss proof. Because it is not. Literal, para siyang liquid lipstick. Liquidy. And then lipsticky. Kasi hindi siya kiss-proof. And that's okay. That's okay. Kasi hindi naman niya minamarket yung sarili niya as kiss-proof, you know. Pero ang minamarket niya is long-lasting and all that. So, yun yung iti-test natin. I mean, I know na yung basic way to use this, or the right way to use it, is dot and then smudge, spread, ganyan, lalo na sa cheeks and all that. Pero gusto ko kasing isagad siya. Isagad ang kanyang talent. Kaya sinagad ko ng bangga-bangga yung layers. So, we'll see how it will last for the whole day. Hindi pa ako nagba-blower, guys. So, please don't mind me. Ang una natin kakainin is salad. We always have to start with salad. Kasi mapagpanggap tayo minsan. So, I have to eat in front of you guys. Ow! Guys, for my first half update, and this is what my lips look like. Yan. Nabawasan na yung inner corners, diba? Pero hindi naman siya super masagwa gaya ng ibang liquid lipstick. Hindi siya sticky, hindi siya tacky. At hindi naman siya dry. Para talaga siyang lipstick, be. Meron pa din. Pero, alam mo yun, para talaga siyang lipstick. Pero, less transfer naman siya. Ikumpara nyo guys. Ito yung unang kiss ko sa back of my hand. Super nag-transfer siya, diba? Ito yung pagkatapos kong kumain and everything. Nabawasan yung pagka-transfer niya. So, ano siya? Mga 50% transfer proof. Pero still, para siyang lipstick, but better than a lipstick in a way. Pero alam mo yun, pag ni-rub mo, ayan o. Pero pag simple kisses, hindi siya super nag-transfer. Although meron. In fairness, long-lasting naman siya. Kaya na pa ako dada. Uminom na ako ng 2 juice. Iinom pa ako ng buko. And then uminom na ako ng tubig kanina. And yeah. So far, so good. Do I look weird in this headband? Whatever. Hey guys, obviously it is the next day. I am so sorry kasi kagabi, alam mo yung moment na habang pauwi ka, you're full of energy and all that, pero pagdating mo sa bahay, pag upo mo sa kama, bigla na nag-shut down yung buong katawan mo. Apparently, it always happens to me. So kagabi, nakunan ko pa yung last look ng lips ko. Ito yun yung last clip na nakita nyo. So let's talk about my overall thoughts. Definitely a very good product for me. I mean, para sa purpose niya. Oh my god, nagbabago yung ilaw. Lumalabas ang araw. Okay, so I'm wearing it right now, and nakita nyo naman dun sa wear test, it's very, very long wearing, lalo na kapag ka nilayer mo siya, kapag ka kinapalan mo talaga at ginawa mong super duper opaque. Pero feeling ko, kapag ka mild lang yung nilagay mo, as in like 1 layer, mas mabilis siyang matatanggal kapag ka kumain ka. Pero pagka kinapalan mo yung layer mo, I think it's gonna last a really, really long time. And honestly, para siyang lipstick for me. It's long-lasting, pero hindi siya transfer-proof or something. 50%! Sabi ko yesterday, di ba 50%? Kasi may time na nung makapal pa siya, nag-transfer siya. Pero nung nabawasan na siya ng layer, nung kumain ako, nabawasan din niya yung pagiging ma-transfer niya. So, it's like 50% transfer-proof based on my experience. So, it's long-wearing, it's not drying, it's not sticky, very opaque in particular, itong cocoa color. But you guys, itong napansin ko, yung longevity niya depends on the color. This one is very dark and obviously it's very opaque. It lasted really long time yesterday. But, mga nakaraang araw, I tried Andre. And, ang nangyari was, isang kainan pa lang, major na yung nabawas. So, yung Andre, yung opacity niya, it's not as deep or as heavy as this one. I'm gonna show you a clip of the day na ginamit ko yung Andre. I'm actually wearing Andre. And I love it so much because it's like burnt orange with a brown undertone. Siguro kakain lang ako ng isang pagkain and I just want to see if it has the same longevity as the cocoa. Baka kasi magkakaiba ng longevity yung bawat color. So, nakita niyo naman sa clip na isang kain ko pa lang, major na yung nabawas. Kasi nga, yung color niya, it's not as deep as this one, as cocoa. So, I do believe the lighter the color, the lesser the longevity. You know what I mean? So, pag the deeper the color, the longer it will last on your lips. Pero, pagdating sa cheeks, no question, it will last you like forever. Unless, alam mo yun, ma-oily ka ng bonggang-bongga, pagpawisan ka, and then mag-blot-blot ka, masya-shonggal talaga siya best. Pero pagka, alam mo yun, behave ka naman, wala ka naman ginagawang kahit ano extreme activities and all that, it will definitely last on your cheeks. So, I can say for the purpose of this, itong lip oil na to, I do recommend it. It's a little bit pricey compared to your typical lip and cheek tint. It's $2.49. But, you know, tingnan mo siya as a lipstick and not just a lip and cheek tint, if you know what I mean. Will I get other colors? I will probably kapag ka naglabas sila ng darker colors, but I will not get the lighter ones. Meron silang light pink and light peach. No, I'm not gonna get those. I think I would go for the darker ones, to be honest. So yeah, I guess that completes my wear test and review of the Colourette Lip and Cheek. I'm so sorry guys, pinatong ko lang kayo sa kama because, you know, I'm in a hurry. Baka magkaroon ng lip swatch, baka lang naman. Kapag ka may extrang pera ako kasi it's $2.49. Parang $2.50 na rin yun. 500 pag dalawa ang binili ko. Although I'm pretty sure ang dami yun na nakita lip swatch. Pero you know, what if you have a, you know, different skin tone? You have a skin tone like mine. So, by the way, subscribe na. And then, click mo yung bell button sa gilid ng subscribe para you would know kapag ka mag-upload ako ng video. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!